Hello everyone. Today we're going to be quickly learning how to save an Excel document. Saving an Excel document is very important in case you ever want to come back to it in the future and reopen it, or just in case you close it accidentally while you're working on it. It's always important to save your documents. So to start off, we have a nice blank workbook like this with a list on it. Like I mentioned in the previous lesson, when we're customizing the quick access toolbar, we have a bunch of different functions up here that we can use. Two ways we can go about saving a file, actually three ways if you want to do the keyboard as well too. You can go Command S, which is automatically going to save it in any Microsoft Office application, so Word, PowerPoint, Excel. We can go to the file here and we can click Save or Save As, or we could even save it as a template. So templates are those little preset boxes that come up when you first open up Excel to use any different template. So we can actually save it as that, customized if we want. Or on the quick access toolbar, we can click this little save icon and that's going to save it for us right away. The next step that I suggest when saving something is if you go to Save As, you can rename the document. It's really important to rename your document with something relevant that you're going to remember, because once you start in your career or just even in school, whatever you're using Excel for, documents are going to easily get mixed up if you just give them a simple name like Excel 001. So it's really important to give your document a nice name that you're going to remember, and even give it a little subtitle if you want to as well too. And that name, after you save it, is going to appear at the top of the screen inside Excel. If you'd like to open up a document that you've saved, you can either go to Open Up Recent if you have a Mac, or I believe in just Microsoft Excel for Windows, it's just going to be Open. From there you can click the Open and you can scroll through your different files that you've saved. Alright guys, thanks for watching.